Hi Nicole, so just a quick video to talk through how you would set this up. So what we would usually do in this circumstance, if you have a number of different categories that people could fall into and you have different kind of like they could be part of a specific category and you want to see how they compare across all categories, usually this would be set up using the scoring function in Qualtrics. So you can maintain the question or the setup of your server the exact same way as it already is. You don't need to change anything about that. But what we're going to do is assign scores to different questions depending on which group they belong to. So if we click into Tools here and go to Scoring, what we need to do is we need to set up a different scoring category for each category that they could fall into, for each grouping. So to do this, we click on where it says the category score, we go to Manage Categories, and then we would create a new category for each. So we would call this one, for example, Group A, then a new category for Group B, and a new category for Group C, and you'd do that for each different category that there is, and you would click Save. Once you have done that, it will automatically start out with category A, so all you need to do is go down through here and pick out which responses correspond to group A. So for example, if people select this one and they would be falling into the A category, you would just select here, and anyone who selects this choice will be assigned a value of 1 for category A. And then here, so if they selected 2 of these, they would be assigned a score of 2 for category A. And you just keep going and picking out all of the categories or all of the choices that correspond to category or to group A. Once you've done A, you just need to move to Group B, and you'll see that strips away the Group A answers, and then just pick all the categories that fall into Group B. And you do this for each category, so you'd move on to C and assign all of those. And then what will happen is, when your participants take the survey, by selecting specific answers, you're going to be getting different scores for each category. So you can either present that to your participants if you want to, or you can just use that in your analysis after all. In your data analysis, you would have one column for each scoring category that you've created, and a score for each person. And then in your reporting area, you'll have an overall score for each category, so you can see which category actually scored the highest. So I hope that's a method that will work for you. Please let me know if you have any specific questions on the setup of this or anything else, and I'll be able to get straight back to you.